Hi, ayan, we are home. Ano yan? So, maaga kami umalis kasi, well, we are tired. Um, yeah, we feel old. Anyway, and but it
The
is,
years are
it
catching
is,
up.
it is really fun to be there. Uh, as long as hindi ka nagmamadali, you can really have fun going around sa Toycon. So, napuntahan namin yung day 2 at yung day 3. Ngayon yung day 3. And we had fun going around, checking out a lot of toys. Kung may time lang kami, siguro, at kung may pera, alam mo yun, gusto namin isa-isahin lahat ng mga stores. Tsaka,
Kami
ano,
ng bibili tayo ng isang item from each store.
wow. But yeah, that's the dream. I suppose sa ano nga sa Toycon. And I do presume a lot of other people kita ko marami silang mga dalabag, maraming mga biling mga toys. Meron naman kami nabili, yung mga mugs nga ng Power Play, and we're happy with that. So-
Unboxing! Unboxing!
Tapos ayun.
Unboxing!
Why not, ano? Ayun. Ang ganda ng para sa akin na ang maganda yung organization ng hindi nagkaroon ng sobrang daming tao sa mga pila. Although I can't really say na yung buong experience for everybody, pero it is organized enough na hindi nagkakaroon ng sobrang haba ng mga pila na nagkakagulo yung mga tao. So far everything went fine sa nakikita ko. Crowded lang talaga sa akin yung yung mga areas ng crowded yung areas ng mga shops, yung mga nagbebenta ng mga items. Ang lang kasi sa akin, medyo slight imbalance sa shops. Tapos meron kasing isang side yung sa hall 4 ba? Hall 3 or hall 4 na medyo maluwag yung area na yun. It's featuring international artists. Tapos merong section ng mga 3D art and more mga may indie groups. Na parang they needed to be recognized. By the way, ito yung isang original artwork sa Power Play Wear. And yeah, maganda yung quality. Maganda yung quality niya.
Yeah, tapos black pa siya sa loob.
Yeah, it's yung black yung mug niya. It's the quality is really nice.
The name,
The name,
Dynabuster.
Dynabuster. Ayan. Yeah. Cool. Nice.
Good job, Martin. Okay, yung maluwag yung shops dun sa kabila.
Yung sa hall 1 and 2.
Noticeable kasi wala rin masyado talagang tao dun. Although there is a place there na parang may concert hall din siya. Ayun. So
Actually, dalawa nga yung concert no? Dalawa yung
oo.
concert. Yung isang main
sa
concert
main
area. Tapos meron isa yung
may
hindi ko
maliit
maalala
na
kung
concert.
may maliit na area doon na.
Yung may setup na parang tindahan. Tapos katabi nung parang may up.
Wait check ko kung makakita ko map.
So, ito yung pangalawang mag This is mine. Yung una kay Edwin, sa akin to.
Ganap ako ng map, map layout. Kasi para maano lang natin yung kung ano yung area na yun.
Siya ay si Minerva X. Minerva X. Super Alloy Z Machine. Ayun, basta parang dalawa yung area na nagko-concert doon. Isa yung mas malaki na parang yung yung event area nila. And then, yung isa is smaller patch pero maganda rin yung sound system na nandun eh.
Then, kaya nga naghanap ako ng yung map. Yung map para maano natin kung ano talaga eksaktong pangalan ng ng pwesto. Ayun yun map. Ito. Ito to, Mind Style. May ano,
Mind
hindi,
Style.
Mind Style din eh.
Hindi.
Tama, hindi. Ito nga yun.
Yan nga, Mind
Oh, Mind Style to. Tapos meron isang Mind Style na maliit.
Smaller.
Smaller
Katabi ng
na
Secret
ano.
Fresh. Oh, tama. Katabi
Oo.
ng Secret Fresh.
Yeah. So, yun nga, may ang yun nga yung parang yung feeling ko masyado maluwag, yung Toy Designer International.
Yung Artist Alley.
Oh, Artist Alley kasi itong art merong area na Toy Designer Alley International. Tapos meron Toy Designer Alley Local. Pareho sila maluwag yung area na yun. Which is I think parang feeling ko dapat it needs
Na-maximize pa siya.
it needs to be maximized in a sense. Pero maganda naman yung area nila.
In
Ang
terms
lang
of
siguro
yung-
kasi, I think
yung space nila for flow of people, it's
Oo.
very roomy. So, for us, that's already good. I think kulang na lang is marketing for people to go there.
yeah,
Kasi
yeah.
the bulk of the people are really nandun sa exhibitor zone. Parang as in talagang siksikan.
Siksikan talaga. Dito sa sa area yung hall, yung pagpasok ng hall 1 and hall 2. Actually, papasok ko sa hall 2 eh. Sa hall 2, automatic yun. Agad ng mga area eh. Talagang sagad yung area na yun eh. Yung second half, yung hall 3 and 4, maluwag siya eh. Maluwag yung area na yun eh. Which is feeling ko, pwede distribute sana yung mga ibang stores pa.
Oo, pwede sigurong na-move pa ng onte para nagkaroon ng konting room pa yung iba pang stores sa 1 and 2.
Pero in general, it wasn't bad. Pero kasi siguro yung yung at the same time, yung exhibitor's zone, feeling ko expected naman talaga nila ng ganun kasi ganun siksikan talaga yung mga tao. So,
Pero yung that kind of thickness of people, yung dami ng yung population that came today, mas marami yung
Kahapon.
pauwi na tayo.
yeah.
It's about the same
ng kahapon.
nung
Yeah.
pauwi na kami. Ayun. Well, napag-usapan nga namin, it's Father's Day and it's the
That's
weekend
true.
after payday. So, yun, yesterday and today would have a lot of people. Tapos bukas, holiday din bukas. So,
Yeah, kaya sa maraming mga tao na nag-ano talaga. Mag-take
have
advantage
time,
ng
they have the
taking a
time
break.
to stop by. Tapos, ayun, yun lang. Pansin, people are back.
That's
People are
true.
back in
Wala nang
circulation talaga.
maskara yung mga tao.
Tayo
Diba?
na lang
Majority.
yata nakamask.
meron mga iba pero ang kukunti na nilang nagmask. Okay. We still wear masks kasi I feel healthier in general with the
More
mask.
protected
Tapos bihira na magkasakit ever since
Wearing
nag-mask ako. So in a sense, kaya that's why I'm keeping the mask. So kahit wala ng pandemic, for sure I'll still be wearing the mask.
Yeah.
I think it's still considered a pandemic period pa rin Pero
Yeah,
medyo
recovering.
recovering na. Pero it's still considered pandemic period pa rin. Pero yun. As in, it's fun yung yung mga areas. Definitely kulang yung araw na pinunta namin. Kung kaya namin puntahan yung 3 days. Kung wala akong work. Kung wala as in, ayun. Kung lang talaga, kung may libre lang kaming time to actually go for more, we'd go for more, more days. Yeah.
3 days is enough for you to really maximize yung kung ano yung pwede mong mapuntahan.
Yeah.
You want to check out stuff, you want to explore, or you want to find out about game developers. There is a school, yung Benil.
Yung
nandun.
Benil naaliw ko yung Benil
Maganda
din.
yung exhibit nila.
Kasi video games yung
Tapos,
nila,
yun.
video games yung fini-feature nila.
Oo. Tsaka yung clay cyanide.
Clay cyanide, yeah, maganda yung nila, maganda rin yung nila kasi they're focusing on tabletop miniature tabletop games.
Tapos
So-
yung figurines nila pwedeng pwedeng paintan, diba?
Yeah. Tapos gusto ko rin yung pwesto ng hindi ko nakita kung nandun ang hero paints. Pero
Most
nakita
likely nandun sa...
maybe kasi nandito yung isang ano na yung atong armored Komodo ba yun? Yun yung parang isang local din na paint na alam ko I remember they invited me to come dun sa BF nila. Meron silang parang doon pwesto sa BF. Kundi BF sa Las Piñas yata sa na parang they wanted me to visit para to try out yung paint sila. Hindi pero yun nga hindi makapunta kasi kasi busy. busy kasi.
Busy is good.
Yeah,
Busy
busy is good.
Good.
Good. Pero yun. Yeah, tapos yung dami ng yung mga toys na nakagada sa gallery. Nakakaaliw talaga ay kinulang ako sa time to actually check the entire thing. Pero
We're glad we saw yung retro gaming again. And napuntahan natin yun before, yung retro gaming, di ba? Yung mga mga console na yung na merong yung console na vintage and that's still working.
wait,
and then games.
I can't remember.
Nakita ko, nandun sila sa malapit kina Sir Tony. Dun sa
Dun
malapit
sa
Curious booth na yung nag-on the spot
artwork. Na on the spot artwork sila.
Okay rin yung
Hindi ko nakita. I would have wanted to say that. I didn't see it.
Akala ko nakita mo.
No, I was looking for you. Kasi nagkahiwalay tayo na hinahanap kita.
Nawala ako.
I was trying to follow yung isang path tapos biglang mayami nawala ang asawa ko. Taranta ako kung nasa wala kaming paraan to.
Pero
ayun.
yun.
So hindi ko nakita yung part na yun. I would have wanted to see that. I wonder kung yun yung yung Data Venture Vintage.
Nakita ko, it's the same logo that we went to before.
Hindi kasi madami tayong nakitang ibang nagbebenta ng console nandun So hindi ko alam kung sila yun.
Sila nga.
Pero yung isang nagustuhan ko yung Data Venture Vintage. Pero hindi ko pa sila nakita. Baka nga nandun sila. I just didn't see. Ayan. So yeah. So it was fun. It was kulang talagang 3 days. If you really have the time to go there, kunin mo yung 3-day discount kung kakayanin yung yung kung next time na punta kayo na next year or magkakaroon ng di ba, yung December. Usually meron doon December. So may December event pa.
Meron din ako nakita yun dun sa sa Toy Designer Alley, yung gumagawa ng amigurumi na game, mga characters. Maria Ganchillo.
Yung Ganchillo ni Mir.
Mir?
Hindi.
Basta we'll put the picture here. Pinicturean ko yung yung QR code nila.
Okay.
Ayan.
Ayun.
Yan. Ganda nung mga naka-display nila, and they said they also sell patterns. Para dun sa mga nagaganchilyo dyan.
Yeah, ayun. Yeah, that's something na ayun. So that's
it.
That's it. Yun yung mga na experience
Our
namin. Toycon experience na hopefully we can go to more. Yeah. So
may free chips. I like the free chips.
May drinks din nga nag-distribute, di ba?
Well, hindi na namin na-try yung drinks.
Yeah, kasi talagang sobrang liit ng sobrang liit ng
As in, sampler lang talaga. Pero marami nagsabi, masarap daw.
So, Oishi section yata yun?
Oishi din yung namigay ng libreng chips. Okay naman yung... Ako umubos ng chips na libre. 2 bag ako nakaubos. Kaya hindi ko pinatikin.
Ayun. Not as much Funko Pop as before. Parang related sa akin. Parang mas maraming variety yung toys ngayon than yung last Funko. Last Toycon.
It may be about, they may have brought the same. Sorry.
Siguro it's just more
on display.
It's more of distributed siguro yung mga mga ngayon.
They're not occupying as much space for display.
Hindi kasi may sariling pwesto yung Funko eh. Pero iba lang yung dating na ngayon, parang pag
Mas
walking
may
around it,
Variety.
mas walking around it, hindi ganun kaano yung yung Funko Pop.
Pansin
Ayan.
ko wala masyadong plushy shops ngayon. Konti lang sila compared before. Or,
I didn't
yeah.
notice that. Pero sige, that's
Diba? Marami ngayon yung figurines, yung mga collectible na mga character.
Ang ano rin
mga
kasi
3D.
natin, hindi natin natutukan yung sa exhibitors zone eh. Yung lalo na yung nasa talagang edges ng yung mga edge ng ng area. I
Pero
think
maraming shirts.
maraming shirts.
Maraming shirts.
Actually, I wanted to look around these shirts eh. Kulang lang talaga sa time to actually look around for stuff. Pero yun, buti nga binigyan tayo ng time to rest.
Oo. Salamat sa Power Playware.
Nakapagpahinga-pahinga na kami ng konti.
Nakapagpahinga kami doon. Meron kaming pit stop.
Yeah. Ayun. Ano pa? Ano pa mo tayong share?
So for future Toy Cons, ingat din kayo kasi mas maraming tao.
Yeah. Yung ingat lang. Kasi nga siksikan talaga yung siksikan talaga yung
Pansin ko lang parang wala silang first aid booth.
meron dapat. Alam ko meron sila.
There should be.
I think meron sila pero hindi kita agad. Pero alam ko they're prepared for that.
Okay.
Alam ko may
that's good to
prepared
know.
sila. Alam ko meron silang team talaga to do that.
First aid.
Oo.
Medic. Kasi sobrang daming tao baka may himatayin, ganyan.
Kita niyo naman sa mga video namin, yung mga walk around video na talagang it's really packed with people.
So, yun
Ayun.
lang.
Yeah.
You can bring food inside. Because you can buy food inside.
May diners alley naman section naman eh. So I think naman, yun yung medyo kakaiba from last time. Last time kasi nasa labas yung food eh. Hindi nila sinama sa loob. Ngayon nasa loob na yung diner, yung food section. So I think that's yung isang difference na nangyari ngayon. Kasi ayun, yeah, I know I did notice that part na nga. Hindi kasi ito nasa ground floor. Yung last time nasa second floor.
Second floor ba yun?
Yung last time nasa second floor. Ito nasa ground floor siya.
Oh, grabe yung apat na hall, di ba? Occupied na.
Yeah, oo.
Toy Con.
Ayun.
Ang dami tao.
Maraming tao.
Ang dami tao.
Ayun. Okay. So, anything else? Okay, that's it. So, that's yung aming actually, ito pa nga, nakaano pa kami, nakasuot pa kami ng ng entrance. So, ayan.
Kulay-kulay yung yesterday.
Yeah, yung Saturday na So, di ko lang kung yung kulay ng Friday. So,
Most
ayan.
likely yellow.
Yeah,
Most likely yellow kasi colors ng flag.
maybe. Green? Green to eh.
Oo nga no. Anong flag yun?
Hindi, kasi baka may meron silang mga color for each day.
Red. Baka red kahapon. Blue
Yeah.
ng blue ng flag.
Maybe. I don't know. I wouldn't know. Pero, that's something. Ayun. Anyway, so yun, so hopefully by next naman sana so far this is the longest time ba na nag-spend
Yeah.
tayo so far?
2 days eh.
2 days.
Before 1 day lang.
Dati alam ko 1 day lang kami nakapunta eh. So ngayon nakapag 2 days na kami. Hindi pa namin kaya yung full extent ng day. Tapos yung yung event itself pala. Yung mismo mga nasa stage, the whole day may schedule sila. Walang downtime. Which makes it interesting na talagang kung manonood ka ng mga shows nila, mauubos yung buong araw mo sa kakanood ng
Manonood
shows.
lang.
Manonood ka lang. Kasi talagang they jam-pack yung schedule. And maayos naman I think yung mga shows nila. Hindi lang namin matututukan yung show kasi we wanted we were there for the toys and the shops, hindi yung stage stuff. Pero actually kahapon nandun yung si di ba, yung sa GMA, yung sa Voltes 5. So, pero yun nga, maraming
Umaga,
oh,
parang 10:30 yata.
kanina naman yung naabutan namin yung mga yung mga Japanese mga Japanese mga
J-pop.
J-pop. And there yun, it's fascinating yung nila nakakaaliw yung nakakaaliw
Anime
silang
cover.
panoorin. May vid yun nga, kung makikita niyo yung video ko kanina, merong may mga nagpo-perform. Ayun. So anyway, nakailang na ako.
Ito na.
Gano.
Ito na
Ayan.
talaga.
Okay, sige.
And the scale of 1 to 10 rating.
It's
rating
hard
mo?
to tell. Oh,
10
parang ang
being
hirap.
the
Ang
best
hirap.
Toy-Con ever.
Ang hirap magsabi kung ano yung magbigay ng rating kasi hindi naman tayo araw-araw every regular nakakapunta. As in, kailan lang kasi we've been to several Toy-Cons before, pero kasi nagpahinga tayo for a long period of time.
I appreciated the Toy-Con this year. Like, etong...
Yeah,
etong
nag-enjoy ako
Toy-Con
sa
na to.
Toy-Con ngayon. So, I would siguro, if just top of my head, siguro mga... It's a good 8 or 9, siguro. Kasi, wala akong nakitang problems sa mga pila. Wala rin ako nakitang problem sa performances. Gusto ko yung talagang, talagang buong araw may...
Walang dead air.
Walang dead air. So, talagang, yun nga lang, hindi ko marinig sarili ko. Nung nag-video ko
Lakas ng
kanina.
sound
Ang lakas ng sound sila. Kaya actually nag-ano ko ng mic na iba na hindi ganitong klaseng mic. Nag-ano ko ng mic na medyo directional na hopefully it would lessen yung ganong klaseng ingay. Pero yun. Sabi ng app baka next few days pa dumasok yung in-order kong mic. So, ano na yun?
That's for next Toy-Con.
Yeah, for next Toy-Con, hopefully maano na yun. Pang-interview yun eh. Yung may mga pang-interview tapos
Wireless yun, diba?
wireless yun eh. So, right now kasi medyo nahirapan kami kasi laging nakahatak tong wire na to. Medyo bothersome ng konti. Although medyo adjusted na ako sa naka-wire, pero ito pa rin. Mas gusto ko sanang magano ng wireless sana. Ayun.
Ito na talaga.
So, as rating, I think it's a really good mga upscale level kasi nga as in mukhang planadong maayos yung plano for the entire thing. From Friday hanggang Saturday, jam-packed full of schedules. Tapos yung daming cosplayers. Hindi lang kami nakapagtutok with pictures ng cosplayers, pero we have friends who did na nag-take ng pictures, although kami mismo hindi masyado nakapag-pictures.
Wait, si ano? Ayawan ko picture.
Yeah. Pero yun, ang dami. Actually, kung makikita niyo naman yung video, mga dinadaanan namin ng mga marami kami nadaanan ng mga cosplayers. So, it was fun looking at them, seeing them and all. Ayun. Okay. So, that's a wrap, I suppose. It's a wrap. Okay. Sige, thank you very much. Thank you for my wife joining me with this video.
Thank you for my husband, Joylyn din eh.
Ayun.
Pinay Video Gamer.
Pinay Video Gamer, Captain's Joylyn or Captain's Mix and Magic. Tapos yun. Okay. Sige. Thank you very much. I really appreciate by the way, Azrael, thank you for this opportunity to visit Toy-Con again. Sana magano ulit. Sana tuloy-tuloy pa rin. Thank you very much. We really appreciate it. Sana nga talaga kami ng more events. Cover pa ng more events. Anyway, thank you very much. And ayun, for everybody, guys, take care. Thank you for visiting Pinoy Video Gamer. Thank you for checking out. Thank you sa mga nadagdagan pa rin ng subscribers. I'm surprised and happy na dumadami pa rin subscribers. Thank you very much. And
until next Toy-Con.
Until next Toy-Con. Meron pa rin magkano pa rin ako ng mga videos. I'll try to make more videos. Uploading games and mga reviews, unboxing. Meron pang mga i-unbox na dalawang yung Funko Pop.
Watch
Funko
out!
Verse, pati Fast and the Furious
Fast and
na
Furious.
board game.
So, watch
Tapos,
out for those videos.
meron pa akong meron pa akong mga iyan. Tapos sana makapaggawa na ako ng game review if
tsaka,
ever.
pag nakabili na kami ng isa pang controller, matutuloy na namin yung It Takes Two.
Yeah.
Tapos na namin.
Oo.
Kaya hindi namin matapos-tapos yung It Takes Two, nasira yung isang controller.
Dahil dalawang controller na nasira
pero
sa atin.
nakabili tayo ng isa. Isa
Nakabili
pa.
tayo isa. So, bili
na
tayo
lang.
isa pa. Ayun. Anyway.
Kaya naman, may mga nakikape na agent.
Okay. So, ayan. Okay. Sige. Thank you very much. Guys, take care. And bye-bye.